Have you ever considered that the world you perceive is actually a historical record of reality? Everything you see right now is slightly delayed, meaning you are technically living in the past. This phenomenon is rooted in the fundamental physics of light and the biology of human perception. Light travels at a finite speed, which creates a measurable gap between events and our observation. Before we continue exploring this fascinating concept, please consider subscribing for more deep dives into science. Vision begins when light reflects off objects and travels through space to reach your eyes. Because light moves at approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, it takes time to travel. Even over short distances, this travel time is non-zero, though it is usually imperceptibly small. Once light hits your retina, it must be converted into electrical signals for the brain. These signals travel along the optic nerve to the visual cortex for complex processing and interpretation. This biological transmission and neural decoding process adds another layer of delay to your experience. The combined time for light travel and neural processing means your brain is always lagging behind. Consider the Sun, which is located about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. Light from the Sun takes roughly 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach our planet's surface. If the Sun were to suddenly vanish, we would continue to see it shining for 8 minutes. This is a dramatic example of how we observe the universe as it was, not as it is. Closer to home, look into a mirror to see your own reflection staring back at you. The light must travel from your face to the glass and back again to your eyes. This distance is tiny, but it still means you are seeing yourself as you were nanoseconds ago. Distance is the primary factor that dictates how far into the past you are actually looking. When you look at distant stars, you are peering back hundreds or even thousands of years. You are essentially looking at a cosmic time machine every time you gaze at the night sky. To stay updated on these scientific insights, please remember to subscribe to our channel today. The brain does not simply record reality like a passive camera capturing a static image. Instead, the brain acts as a prediction machine, constantly guessing what will happen next. It fills in the gaps caused by neural processing delays to create a seamless visual experience. This predictive capability allows us to navigate a dynamic world without feeling like we are lagging. If we perceive the world with the raw, uncorrected delay, our movements would be incredibly clumsy. The brain anticipates the movement of objects so that we perceive them in their current position. This is why you can catch a ball or walk through a crowd without constant collisions. Your brain is essentially simulating the present moment based on the data it just received. This internal simulation is so effective that we rarely notice the discrepancy in our daily lives. We feel as though we are experiencing the exact present, but that is a cognitive illusion. The delay is always there, hidden beneath layers of sophisticated neurological hardware and software. If you are finding this explanation of human perception interesting, please subscribe for more content. Consider the implications of this delay for our understanding of the nature of reality itself. We can never truly touch the present moment because our senses are always slightly behind. The present is a fleeting boundary that we can never fully capture with our physical senses. Even our thoughts about the present are delayed by the time it takes for neurons to fire. This means that every conscious experience you have is already a memory by the time it occurs. It is a humbling realization that our entire conscious existence is built upon these tiny delays. Science shows us that our perception is a constructed model rather than a direct window. We are living in a world of our own brain's creation, tuned to the speed of light. The lag is a necessary trade-off for the complexity of human vision and conscious thought. Without this processing time, we would not have the depth of perception we enjoy today. The universe is vast, and our place in it is defined by these physical constraints. Understanding these limits helps us appreciate the incredible work our brains do every single second. We are constantly updating our internal map of the world to keep up with reality. This process is continuous, automatic, and essential for our survival in a fast-paced environment. While we may never experience the absolute present, our version of it is remarkably accurate. It is a testament to the efficiency of evolution that we can function so seamlessly. The next time you look at the world, remember that you are viewing a slight delay. You are witnessing the history of the universe as it unfolds in your own mind. Science continues to reveal how our senses shape our understanding of time and space. Every observation we make is a bridge between the past and our current conscious awareness. We hope you enjoyed this look into the mechanics of human vision and temporal perception. If you want to keep exploring the mysteries of science, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the physics of our daily lives. Stay curious, keep questioning the world around you, and we will see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating scientific explorations and deep dives into reality.